are at the food mall. It's a cloudy Saturday morning and Saturday. बहुत भीड़ है. That's pretty obvious. It's the monsoons and सब लोग लोनावला निकल पड़े तो हम भी निकल पड़े and we are now moving towards Tikona Peth.
Once you exit the Mumbai-Pune expressway, there are two routes. The first one takes you through Durivare-Khind and alongside Pavna Lake. We took this route, however for the most part the roads were not so good. There's another route which goes through NH48 and the roads are much better. So this would be the ideal route to take. For those travelling via public transport, check out the description to know how to reach here.
We have reached to the foothill of the fort. This is the parking area where there's paid parking. You will have to pay around $50 to park your car here, but it's pretty secure. It seems pretty secure. The road till here, once you enter Lonavala, it's half terrible, half really good. So from here, it should take anywhere around an hour to reach to the top of the fort. So let's go. We are almost halfway there. The initial 5 minutes are a little steep and then it's almost a trail, you can say, but it is surrounded by these amazing views and I think we still have, 30-40 minutes of time left, so let's go.
Tikona, also known as Vitandgarh, is a hill fort that is estimated to have been built somewhere way back around the 7th or the 8th century. The Nizams won it in the late 1500s. Later, in 1657, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Marathas conquered the fort, which was crucial for the control over the Pavna Mawar region because of its location. The Mughals won it later, only to lose it again to the mighty Marathas. Lastly, the fort fell into the hands of the British. The fort is scattered with historic remnants. During the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a number of forts were reconstructed using lime as one of the construction materials. Limestones were grinded to powder form by rolling into these grinders.
to the top of the fort. The climb is very easy and there's a lot of wind here. I don't think you'll be able to hear me, but the views from the top are surreal. And you know what? Let's fly.
It is always a matter of pride to be able to step foot on the same soil where the once mighty rulers walked. If you were able to live this experience through your screens, do consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for more content. Up next, we trek another fort, one that we famously call the Iron Fort of Maharashtra. I'll see you then.